In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode in Jira. For many of us, especially those who spend a lot of their time on screens, dark mode can provide a much more comfortable viewing experience. Not only does it reduce glare from the screen, but it can also help conserve battery life on your devices. If you're like me and prefer that sleek, darker look on your applications, then this guide is for you. So let's dive into how you can easily switch your Jira interface to dark mode in just a few simple steps. To start, what you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and head over to your Jira account. If you're not already there, simply navigate to the Your Work section. This is typically the hub where you can view your most recent projects and tasks. On the page, you'll notice a bunch of information related to your current assignments and any notifications you might have. However, we're not going to focus on that today. Once you're on the Your Work page, you'll want to shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile icon is located. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. It's this menu that gives you access to most of the customizable settings in Jira, including the theme settings. When you click on your profile icon, you'll see several options appear, things like account settings, help, and more. What you're looking for here is an option titled Theme. Sometimes with so many features and tools in Jira, it can be easy to overlook this option, but there's no need to worry as it's usually placed fairly prominently in the list. Selecting the theme option will take you to the area of the settings where you can adjust the look and feel of your Jira interface. Now within the theme settings, you're going to have a couple of different modes to choose from. Most users find themselves in the default light mode setting, which is fine but not always ideal for those working long hours under artificial lighting. To switch over to dark mode, you only need a simple click. Look for the option that says dark. When you click on it, you'll immediately see the changes take effect. The interface will transform to a darker color scheme, which might take a moment to get used to, but many find it much easier on the eyes. And there you have it. With just those few simple adjustments, you've successfully switched your Jira interface to dark mode. You're now ready to experience all your tasks and projects in this more user-friendly setting. I hope this was helpful for you. Switching to dark mode not only changes the aesthetic but can really enhance your overall experience, especially if you frequently work in environments where the default light mode is not optimal. Before we wrap up, let's cover some additional tips that can help you make the most of your experience in dark mode. Remember, dark mode can make viewing your screen easier, especially in low light conditions, and can decrease eye strain over long periods. However, if at any time you find the dark mode isn't working well for you, perhaps due to specific color schemes in use in your projects or just personal preference, you can always return to the settings to switch back to light mode. If you're using multiple devices or if you share your account with others, remember that these settings might be user specific and device specific. So ensure you're logged in with your credentials and apply these adjustments if you're switching devices. As always, whether using your desktop or a laptop, updating your software and regularly checking for new features in Jira can help you get the most out of these settings. It's worth mentioning that the appearance and availability of dark mode can vary depending on the specific Jira version or the plugin being used to modify its appearance. So if for any reason you don't see the options I've described, ensure your Jira is up to date or consult your system administrator for advice tailored to your particular setup or version. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide on enabling dark mode in Jira both easy to follow and insightful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to respond. Enjoy the new look, and as always, happy organizing with Jira.